Good morning, class. In last class, we learned many things about midpoint formula and section formula. Now we will see some more questions based on those formulas. Let us take one question. Find the point of intersection of the medians of a triangle whose vertices are 2, -5, -3, 4 and 0, -3. Here vertices of triangle are given and we have to find intersection point of medians. Intersection point of medians, that is called centroid. It means we have to find coordinates of centroid. Here we can see that medians are intersecting at O, means we have to find coordinates of O. So coordinates of centroid are, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. This is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. So now we can see x1 plus x2 plus x3. x1 we say 2, x2 that is -3 and x3 that is 0. So we have put here 2 minus 3 plus 0 upon 3. Similarly we have put values of y's. You can see -5 plus 4 and plus 3. That is not plus 3. In question it is given -3. So we will make it -3 here. So you see we have put here -3. Now how much it is left? 2 minus 3, that is -1 upon 3, and -5 minus 3, that is -8, and plus 4, that will be -4 upon 3. These will be coordinates of centroid. Let's take another question. If two vertices of a triangle are -4, 3, 2, 6 and the centroid is the origin, find third vertex of triangle. So we can see here coordinates of vertex A -4, 3, coordinates of vertex B 2, 6. Let coordinates of vertex C is x3, y3 and the centroid is, that is origin. Coordinates of origin are 0, 0. So this 0, 0 are values of x and y, and the vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So let's see first. X equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3. So x1 is -4, x2 is 2 and x3 is x3 only upon 3. This multiplied to 0, 3 multiplied to 0, this side it becomes 0. Then -4 plus 2, that is -2 plus x3. Therefore x3 equal to 2. Similarly we do this side, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. This 3 multiplied to 0, it becomes 0. Values of y1, y2 and y3 will remain y3 only. So 3 plus 6, that is 9 plus y3. Therefore y3 equal to -9. It means coordinates of vertex C, that is x3, y3, means 2, -9. The line segment joining A 2, 3 and B 6, -5 is intersected by x-axis at point K. Write down the coordinates of K. Hence find the ratio in which K divides AB. So you see, since AB is intersected by x-axis, intersecting it by x-axis, so y coordinate will be 0. If it is intersected by y-axis, then x will be 0. Here intersecting by x-axis, so y coordinate will be 0. So coordinate of K will be, x will remain x something, but y will be confirmed 0. So first of all we will find out here m upon n, that is ratio. You see, m upon n equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y. Why we are taking this formula? Because see, y1 is completely given, y2 is given a and b coordinates, and y, here y is given 0, not x. So we are applying here m upon n equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y. Now we will put here the values. You see, y equal to 0 minus y1, that is, we can see y1, that is 3, so minus 3, and y2 minus y, y2 is minus 5 and y is again 0, so we are getting minus 3 upon minus 5. Both minus cancel, it will become positive. So m upon n is 3 upon 5. This implies m is to n is 3 is to 5. So this is our ratio. Now we will use this ratio to find the missing coordinate x. So m upon n, again we are applying in terms of x. M upon n equal to x minus x1 upon x2 minus x. So m upon n, that is 3 upon 5. X minus 2, x we need to find. X minus x1 is 2. Then x2 minus x, x2 is 6 and minus x is x1. Now we will do cross multiplication like this. 3 6 ja 18, 3 into x 3x, 5 into x 5x, and 5 into 2, that is minus 10. So now 18 minus 10 brought this side, plus 10. 5x is here, we bring this 3x there. So 5x plus 3x, that is 20. 5x plus 3x, that is 8x. 18 plus 10 equal to 28. 8x equal to 28. So x equal to 28 upon 8. Therefore it is 7 upon 2. So coordinates of k are 7 upon 2 comma 0. This will be the coordinates of k. Here we have put the value of x. Value of x we put here. Y we know that is 0. So x comma y, that is 7 by 2 comma 0 will be the coordinates of k. Next question we have of the same kind of third type only. You see, determine the ratio in which the point minus 6 comma a divides the join of a minus 3 comma minus 1 and b minus 8 comma 9. Also find the value of a. So here we can see 2 points are there, a and b, and a point p is there on this line, which divides this line in ratio m upon n, in ratio m upon n, which we have to find. So you see m upon n, here we can see here y part is not given, x part is completely given in all 3 points. We can see x1 given, x2 given, and x given. So we apply m upon n equal to x minus x1 upon x2 minus x. So x minus x1, x equal to minus 6. Minus x1 means minus 3, that will become plus 3. x2, that is 8, minus 8. And minus x, that is minus 6, so it will become plus 6. Here left minus 3 by minus 2, both minus sign cancel. So we get m is to n equal to 3 is to 2. Now we have to find the missing value of a. The same question. Now we will apply here m upon n equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y. So y minus y1, y is a, y1 is minus 1. You can see y1 is minus 1. So that will become plus 1. Then y2 minus y, y2 is 9 and minus y, that is a. So here we are getting 3 by 2 equal to m upon n is 3 by 2 equal to a plus 1 upon 9 minus a. We do here cross multiplication again like this one. So 3 9 are 27 and 3 into a 3a. Then 2 into a 2a plus 2. So 2a 3a brought this side plus 3a, and 27 2 send that side minus 2. So we are getting 5a equal to 5. So a equal to 5. That is our required answer.